Bought an app or subscription by mistake on the App Store? Here's how to request a refund step by step. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture at the top. Now tap Subscriptions. If the purchase is a subscription, tap it and select Cancel Subscription. This step is important before requesting a refund. Next, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Scroll down and tap Media and Purchases. Choose View Account. Now tap Purchase History. Find the app or purchase you want refunded. Tap on it and select Report a Problem. This will open Apple's refund page. If you don't see that option, open a browser and go to reportaproblem.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Select Request a Refund. Choose a reason like, I didn't mean to buy this. Select the purchase and submit. Apple usually responds within 1 or 2 days. And that's how you get a refund on App Store purchases or subscriptions. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.